is a perfect day to just have fun. I don't even know what I'm doing. This is going to be pretty much just a vlog today. I'm just excited. It says 41 here, but we're showing to be about 48 according to the Apple Watch, which is using dark sky or connected to dark sky, which says it's 48, but it probably feels about 41, so that might be about right. But it is a beautiful day out. I just spent most of my day in the house editing, and I'm just gonna get out, go for a ride. I need to grab a couple of things from the store, but I'm just gonna enjoy this ride today. So wherever this vlog goes, hey, you're just going along with me. Hope you enjoy it. If you're liking what you're seeing on the channel, please smash the like button and follow us, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can see more, I guess, fun vlogs like this, and of course my more detailed, informative videos with DIYs. Hey, let's just go have some fun, man. That's all I got. This ain't even structured. This is nothing. I'm just having some fun. Let's do this. Let's go.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free.
To be out, just in the M3 right now. Man, if you all don't live in the Midwest, you cannot understand what it's like to, especially if you have the luxury of having other daily drivers for the winter, and you're able to store your sports car or your car you like to take on the Sunday drive, whatever that car is. It is special. It is that much more special when it's been put up for a while and you get the opportunity to drive it and just enjoy the drive. You're in no hurry to go anywhere. You're just enjoying what is around you. And man, oh, there's nothing like it. I can't explain.
I wanna be free. Finally. I always stay dreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising. I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free.
I just wanted to vlog today. I like I said, I had no idea why to vlog. I just wanted to get out, be with my M3. It's been put away for a few months now. I guess since about October, and here we are about halfway through, almost at the end, pretty much at the end of February and rolling into March. And I think it's not going to be for another at least 45 days or so before we really see 50 degrees as an average daily high. And then of course as the summer or the spring rolls on through, we'll get into the 60s, 70s. You know how that goes for the most part. But I'm just Look, for me, it's the little things that count. It's the little things that that make me happy. And doing YouTube is one of those things that I really enjoy doing it. And I'll be honest with you, you know, I realize now, I realize that you cannot allow for social media, life challenges, the world revolving around you that already has its own narratives to try to get you to move and sway with the tides as it desires for you to do that. You have to be solid and stand firm in what you believe, what your values are, and who you are. And the benefit to being around different people is that you get to, hopefully if you're dialoguing and having conversations, you get a chance to understand how they see life. What is their perspective? How did they grow up? What were the things that their parents instilled in them as far as values? What was the upbringing in terms of what was the lifestyle? What was life around them? Who was around them? And those things in your younger self, they play a part in who you become. They play a part in the paradigms that you live your life through, and eventually you do have to shift it. Your mental health is, you need to value that just like you value your physical health, just like you value nourishing your body with food and water. And you should nourish your mind with reading, nourish your mind with motivational people around you, motivational words, wisdom around you. If all you're doing is soaking up social media day in and day out, that's the first thing you look at, and that's the first thing you look at when you wake up, and the last thing you look at when you go to sleep, then you're just a puppet. And I get that even for me or anyone else that works in social media, they manage it and they do marketing and all sorts of stuff for companies. You have to disassociate from it at some point. It cannot be your lifestyle 24/7, because there's so many opinions and values that are shared with you that are not necessarily of yours. And then you're wondering why you're chasing new goals and more new goals and more new goals before you can really finish probably the first 1, 2, or 3 that you started. You have to realize that you have to be a critical thinker. You have to be able to think for yourself. If you're letting media, if you're letting social media, if you're letting news outlets, if you're letting other people with their opinions infiltrate your thoughts to where you're without question moving to the beat of their drum, you're forever going to be lost. Forever going to be lost. Because your ideals, your gifts, your desires, your values, they do not align with what you're seeing, what you're following. For the most part. Again, unless you're a critical thinker like myself and you know what you want. You realize you've had a moment to stop and think. When you make a decision that's good for you and your family, you don't care what anybody else thinks about it, what their opinion is about it, good or bad. In fact, you'll be at a point that you don't even let them have an opinion, because they're probably out of your life anyway. So I'm praying for you all. You all continue to pray for me as I continue to take daily strides, one step in front of the other, just living in the moment, enjoying days like this. It's a beautiful thing. And I'm not sitting here talking about money. I'm not talking about the stocks you need to invest in. I'm not talking about what designer clothes you need to wear. I'm not talking about what kind of car you have to drive. I'm literally just telling you I'm enjoying my day. This is as simple as it gets. A beautiful, beautiful day out to where the sun is setting, the sky is blue. I'm in the car I own that I've always wanted. Not what somebody wanted for me, what I've always wanted. And having time to myself. And I'm sharing it with you. I hope this gives you hope. I hope this brings some kind of value to you, because if you've made it this far in this video, kudos to you, because it's not short. You know, it's not a short 15-second clip on IG Reels or Shorts. That's all I got. That's all I got. If I can be of assistance for you from here on out, reach out, leave comments below, share with your friends and family, follow me. It's more than just car stuff. It's life. It's life. I'm going to share with you just life, just things that I've done to become a better me, things that I've done to just be happy, just flat out be happy. I am not perfect. I still have some things going on in my life that need to be taken care of on a personal level, financial level, spiritual level, emotional level, mental level, physiological level. Look, I am not perfect. Never have I ever claimed to be. But I am not just trying either. I'm intentionally executing every day. And if you're not doing that, that's what we need to do. So, if I can be of assistance, reach out, DM me on Instagram, email me. I'll put all that information down in the description below. That's all I've got. You guys have a great one. I appreciate you. As always, keep driving. Have intentional execution. And y'all have a great day.